In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call extensions in Google Ads. This is a fantastic way to make it easier for potential customers to reach you directly by phone, enhancing your ads' effectiveness. So, let's dive in and start the process step by step. First, you need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Open your web browser and head over to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the sign in button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login page, where you should enter your credentials to access your Google Ads account. Once you're signed in, you should find yourself on the Google Ads home dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your ad campaigns, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now focus your attention on locating and clicking on Goals. The Goals section in Google Ads allows you to define specific objectives you want your ads to achieve, such as increasing phone inquiries. Setting the right goals is crucial, as it aligns your ad campaigns with your business's overarching objectives. After you've clicked on goals, the next step is to click on conversions. Conversions are actions that users take when they interact with your ads, such as visiting your website or, in this case, making a phone call. By clicking on conversions, you can set up specific actions you want to track. You'll now see an option to add a new conversion action. Click on this to start defining the parameters for a new conversion. This is where you'll set the details that tell Google Ads what constitutes a successful interaction for your business. With the new conversion action window open, go ahead and select phone calls. This is the category that you'll need to focus on if you want calls to be part of your tracked conversions. Google Ads will prompt you to define some specifics about these calls, such as the minimum duration for a call to be counted as a conversion. This helps ensure you're tracking only meaningful interactions. And that's it. You've now successfully added call extensions to your Google Ads. Remember, effective use of call extensions can significantly increase the chances of converting a viewer into a customer. Just ensure your ads align with your business's goals, and you can start to reap the rewards of this powerful feature. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your online advertising efforts. Until next time, keep optimizing and see the impact on your business growth.